as a creator, for me, they're just a big blank canvas. I am Lacey Jane Wilburn. I am one half of the artist duo LALA, Lacey and LALA Art. So not only are the blank slates where we can make something beautiful, it's also a chance to make something meaningful, and these can become landmarks. They become integrated into the community.
I'm Layla Folkmann. As traveling mural artists, we paint all over the world, all over the country a lot, and it's really wonderful for us to know that we have little pieces of our work left all around the world.
It was a multi-step process, which is exciting. So they first got to help with the initial drawings. So just getting to shape how the mural was gonna go. But then we got to bring them in to physically paint it. So they get to see a little idea become a big idea. And I think that's something that's really exciting. And not only were their little drawings blown up so big, to actually have a hand in painting it and seeing it come to life, there was a big collaborative effort for it. This wasn't our mural, our idea with little hands helping. This was their ideas, their little hands that we've made bigger with their help. So I think there's a really cool cyclical process in that and getting to see something grow.
Public art's important because you see it every day, you see it in your community. And I think it has a lot of value and a lot of importance, and I think it can be very meaningful to people.
Throughout their years as they get older, I hope every day they walk through this tunnel and they say, I did that, I was a part of that, what I do matters. Because our littlest members of society often have the smallest voices, and I don't think that should be the case. Children are incredibly creative, they're incredibly bright, they're unapologetic in their personalities, and I don't want that to ever be stifled as they get older. I want them to keep being bold and being loud and being big.